This is a €500 million package. I mean, I actually balked when I saw it last night.
Well, the government will need to dip into the exchequer surplus to pay another €500 million in fuel supports after a week of protests and blockades led to severe diesel and petrol shortages.
This is a €500 million package. I mean, I actually balked when I saw it last night. If you take that on top of the €250 million that was announced a few weeks ago, that's €750 million. A personal tax package in a budget is generally around 1.1 or €1.1 billion. Are the government going to be able to do that? We know they've had to dip into the surplus this year. And then secondly, the security and operational point of view. We're holding the presidency of the EU Council in July. Brussels weren't happy with us over Mercosur. They've warned states across EU to be careful what you do on energy sports. The government are effectively asking the Commission for permission on these further excise cuts. That's still being considered, it's my understanding. And then the country's brought to a standstill for a week. And there's this delayed operational response. And the Gardaí's response in the end, I think, was very effective. But I think if you're looking at this and you're Ursula von der Leyen, you're sitting in Brussels, you're going, what are these lads at?